Hello, friends. I'm Vitalina, your teacher. I'm very happy you are here today. Thank you for learning English with us again.
Hi, everyone. I'm Jake, and today I'm really excited. I have a story, a big story.
Oh, I like stories. Friends, today we have a practical lesson. We will talk about shopping words and real-life English. And Jake has a story from his life.
Yes, it's about my new job, Black Friday, and a crazy grandmother with a tiny dog.
That sounds funny. Jake, tell our friends, what is new in your life? What a new job.
So, I have a new job, a small job. I'm working in a clothing store before Christmas.
Nice, a clothing store. Why did you take this job? I also want to tell our friends something. I have a small bonus for you at the end of the lesson, a nice surprise. So enjoy the lesson and stay with us.
Ooh, a bonus? That sounds great. I love surprises. And yes, I took this job because I want to save money for Christmas. I want some extra money. And I want to go on a trip with my friends.
Which friends?
With Tom, Lucy, and Penny. We want to go away together. Maybe to the mountains, maybe to the sea. We are still thinking.
That sounds fun. So this trip is like a vacation?
Yes, a short holiday.
Friends, listen. In British English, Jake says holiday. In American English, I say vacation. They mean the same. In British English, we say holiday. In American English, we say vacation. You can use the word you like more.
Yes, I say holiday because I'm from Bristol. Vitalina says vacation because she's from the US.
Exactly. So you want money for this holiday or vacation.
Yes. So I said, okay, I will work in a shop. I will help people. I will fold clothes. I will smile. I will try.
Good plan. Tell us more. Where do you work exactly?
I work in a clothing store in the city center. We sell jeans, t-shirts, jackets, shoes, hats, all kinds of clothes.
In American English, we say store. In British English, we often say shop.
Yes, I usually say clothes shop or clothing shop.
So, both are okay. In American English, people often say clothing store. And in British English, people often say clothes shop. You can choose your style.
And my job is simple. I'm a shop assistant. I help customers. I answer questions. I find sizes. I put clothes back.
Friends, important words: shop assistant or sales assistant, the person who works in the shop and helps customers. Now, tell us about the days before Black Friday. How was it?
It was crazy. 3 days before Black Friday, the manager said, "We will have a big sale. We must prepare."
A sale means lower prices.
Yes, we started to put big red signs everywhere. Sale! 70% off! Black Friday deals! Buy one, get one half price! I was folding clothes. I was moving boxes. I was putting price tags on jeans. All day we were preparing.
So you were working hard before Black Friday.
Yes, we were working from morning to night. I was tired, but I was also excited. I thought, it will be fun. It will be crazy. And I will get money for my holiday.
Friends, let's stop and learn some important shopping words. We will use them in Jake's story.
Good idea. My brain likes small breaks.
Listen, friends. Sale, time when prices are lower. Discount, money off, cheaper price. Price, how much something costs. Customer, person who buys. Shop assistant or sales assistant, person who helps in the shop. Cashier, person at the cash desk who takes your money. Now some words that are different in British and American English. In British English, people usually say queue, and in American English, people usually say line. Both words mean many people waiting. In American English, people usually say shopping cart, and in British English, people usually say trolley. This is the thing on wheels for your items. Receipt, a small paper after you pay. In American English, people usually say fitting room, and in British English, people usually say changing room. Both mean a small room where you try on clothes.
I usually say queue, trolley, and changing room.
And I usually say line, cart, and fitting room.
English is fun.
Yes, friends, you can choose British or American words. Both are good. Now, Jake, tell us about Black Friday morning.
Okay, Black Friday morning. I woke up very early. It was still dark. I ate a quick breakfast. I took the bus to the store.
And what did you see?
I saw a queue, a big queue. People were standing outside the store before we opened.
Sorry, Jake, I'm going to interrupt you for a moment. I want to explain something to our friends again.
Sure.
Friends, Jake says queue. In American English, we say line. So there was a big line of people waiting.
Yes, they were waiting with coffee, with bags, with phones in their hands. Some people were laughing. Some people looked angry.
Maybe they needed more coffee.
Maybe. My manager said, Jake, today you must stay calm. People will ask many questions. They will want many sizes. They will want many discounts.
Friends, let's learn some simple phrases that we can use in shops. As a customer, you can say, I'm looking for a t-shirt. I'm looking for a jacket. I'm looking for a smaller size. Do you have this in medium? Do you have this in large? Can I try this on? In American English, we usually say, where's the fitting room? In British English, we usually say, where's the changing room? How much is this? Is this on sale? Is there a discount?
These are very useful, very simple.
As a shop assistant, you can say, can I help you? Are you looking for something? What size do you need? This is on sale today. You can pay at the cashier. In British English, we say, please wait in the queue. In American English, we say, please wait in the line. Now, Jake, please tell us about the funny story with the grandmother and the dog.
Yes, this was on Black Friday afternoon. It was very busy. The store was full. People were walking, talking, shouting, asking for sizes. The queue at the cashier was long.
The cashier is the person who takes the money at the cash desk.
Yes. So I was helping a customer find a jacket, and then I saw her. A grandmother, a very small grandmother. And with her, a very small dog.
Oh no.
The dog was in her arms, very cute, very quiet, at first. Then the dog saw something. I don't know, maybe another dog, maybe a toy, and suddenly the dog jumped down and started running.
In the store?
Yes, in the store on Black Friday, the worst time. People were everywhere. The dog was running between the clothes racks. The grandmother shouted, "Stop! Stop! Come back!"
Poor grandma.
I wanted to help, so I started running after the dog. So now we have many customers, big discounts, clothes on the floor, and me running after a tiny dog.
Like a movie.
The manager was watching and maybe thinking, "What is this?"
Did you catch the dog?
Yes, finally, the dog stopped near the jeans. I slowly went close and said, "Come here, little one." The dog looked at me and then jumped into my arms. It was so sweet.
And the grandmother?
She was so happy. She said, "Thank you, young man. You are my hero."
You saved Black Friday.
Maybe, at least for one small dog.
Friends, in this story, we used many useful words. Let's repeat some of them together. Customer, a person who buys things. Shop assistant, a person who works in a shop and helps customers. Cashier, a person who takes the money. Now, some words again with British and American versions. In British English, people say queue, and in American English, people say line. Both mean many people waiting. And also, sale, time with lower prices. Discount, less money to pay. Price, how much something costs. In American English, people usually say store, and in British English, people usually say shop. Both mean the place where you buy. And shopping cart, and in British English, people usually say trolley. This is the thing on wheels for your items. Also, fitting room, and in British English, people usually say changing room. Both are small rooms where you try on clothes.
And receipt is the small paper you get after you pay.
Yes, good addition. Now, let's do a little role play. Jake will be the shop assistant. I will be the customer.
Okay, I'm ready.
Excuse me?
Can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a winter jacket.
What size do you need?
I think medium.
We have this jacket in medium. It's on sale today.
Nice. Can I try it on?
Yes, of course. The fitting room is over there. Or, in British English, the changing room.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
After trying. I like it. How much is it?
It's $60, but with the discount, it's $30.
That's a good price. I will take it.
Now, can we change? You are the shop assistant and I'm the customer.
Of course. Let's do it.
Excuse me?
Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a pair of jeans.
What size do you need?
I'm not sure. Maybe 32?
Okay, here are jeans in size 32. They're on sale today.
Nice. Can I try them on?
Yes, the fitting room is on the left.
Thank you.
After some time. Do they fit?
Yes, they fit well. I like them.
Great. The price is $50, but today the discount is 50%, so it's $25.
Perfect. I will buy them.
You can pay at the cashier. Please wait in the line.
Or in the queue.
Yes, in the queue. Friends, let's do some short phrases. I say a sentence, Jake repeats. You can repeat at home too. I'm looking for a t-shirt.
I'm looking for a t-shirt.
Do you have this in large?
Do you have this in large?
How much is this?
How much is this?
Is this on sale?
Is this on sale?
Where is the fitting room?
Where is the fitting room?
Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
I don't want it, thank you.
I don't want it, thank you.
I will take it, thank you.
I will take it, thank you.
Very good. Jake, how did you feel at the end of Black Friday?
I was very tired. My feet were tired. My voice was tired. My brain was tired.
But maybe your wallet was happy?
Yes, my wallet was happy. I got money for my holiday.
And how did you feel about the people?
Some customers were kind, some customers were angry, some were funny. Many people said thank you. Some people didn't say anything. But I learned a lot of English. I used the same phrases again and again.
So this job was like a real English lesson.
Yes, a real Black Friday English lesson.
Friends, today we talked about Black Friday, big sales and discounts, Jake's job in a clothing store, important words, sale, discount, price, customer, shop assistant, cashier, queue or line, receipt, fitting room or changing room, shopping cart or trolley. Useful phrases. I'm looking for. How much is this? Is this on sale? Can I try this on? Can I help you? What size do you need? You can pay at the cashier.
And we told you about some American English words and British English words, like store versus shop, line versus queue, vacation versus holiday, cart versus trolley, fitting room versus changing room.
Was. You don't need to remember everything now. You can come back to this lesson again. Friends, I want to give you a small bonus.
Ooh, I like bonuses.
After this lesson, I will write many of today's useful words and phrases in the description of this video. You can look there, you can copy them, and you can use them.
That's great. I hope you, friends, will like this bonus. Please tell us in the comments if this is helpful for you.
Friends, now it is your turn. Please write in the comments. What do you want to buy on Black Friday? Or, what did you buy last Black Friday?
You can write very simple sentences, like, I bought a jacket. I bought shoes on sale. I'm looking for a new phone. I want to buy a present for my family.
Simple English is perfect. We are happy when you practice. Friends, thank you for learning with us today. You did a great job.
Yes, thank you for your time, your energy, and your comments.
If you enjoyed this Black Friday lesson, please subscribe to Do You Know English. Your subscription helps us make more warm and simple lessons for you.
Like the video, write a comment, and share it with a friend who loves shopping.
Take care, enjoy Black Friday, but don't buy too many things you don't need.
Yes, please, your room will say thank you.
Keep practicing and remember every small step helps your English grow.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye.
Bye.